fthepump.com. Gonna do a puddle light and interior light review for a company called fthepump.com. Stay tuned. So here we are. I've got from fthepump.com. This is going to be the trunk door light, and I also have puddle lights for a Model S. This is the new Model S that we purchased, and this is going to be the only tool you need: screwdriver. So there's Tesla puddle lights. Follow them on social media. I've already installed one to make this quicker, but you're going to get two of these in the box. But this is the original Tesla puddle light. You can see how bright it is, and even in the daytime, look at how bright this one is. So this is the new one I just installed. Pretty impressive. So I'm going to show you guys how to take this one out and make it new. So all you do is take your flathead screwdriver, and there's a little notch on one of these. Find that notch, slip this underneath, pop it up a little bit, pull it out of the carpet, pretty easy. And then you'll see there's a little notch that you're going to push down to take this one off. So you push this notch down and then pull it forward, and there it goes. That's pretty easy. And then you just plug and play. It's really easy. Stick it right in. And lights right up. Click it, and then stick it right back in the hole. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and now you've got brighter puddle lights. Tesla. Finished installing the puddle lights from fthepump.com. It's real good. Very bright too. All right, fthepump.com. Thanks for watching.